Hello, good morning. I just did a showing at my new listing on Sandy Creek. So I thought I would go ahead and do my walkthrough while I'm out here. So let's do it. All right, we're gonna do this quick so that I can try to maintain a shorter time. Right off of the front door, which is right there, is the kitchen, and here is the primary bedroom. Bathroom here, stand-up shower in the corner, pedestal sink. You can see we've got the LVP flooring throughout. Let's a quick look at the kitchen. Little island here, nice large dining space over here. And in here we've got the laundry right there. And through here we've got the living room, nice size living room. Then we've got a Jack and Jill situation with the remaining 2 bedrooms. So here's the second bedroom. Bathroom here, the tiled shower and bath. And then the other 3rd bedroom here, which walks out to the other side of the living room. There's a walkout to a porch over there. And then we've got the back porch here. All right, and now I'm gonna walk you through this little cutie pie. Okay, and here is the tiny house, 420 square feet. Got your little kitchenette or little bistro table there, TV on the wall. Super cute little pattern wallpaper, backsplash. The kitchen here with the stainless appliances. Little window heat and air there. And then the wood accent with the beams in the ceiling. And then back through here, we have the bathroom, which has grouted in tile floor. It's got a tub surround. We got wood floor, engineered wood floor. And then here is the back bedroom. Again, it's got the tongue and groove ceiling, and this has got a king size bed in here. Another cute pattern wallpaper here with the little crabs. I love it. And then you've got your stacker here. Everything you could possibly want, I'm telling you.